Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your default address on Amazon on your iPhone. Unfortunately, you cannot do this on the Amazon application, nor can you do it on Safari. It has to be done on Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, I would just go download that really quickly and then come back to where you are in the video. The reason why you can only use Google Chrome is you need to request the desktop app or website. So that cannot be done on Safari properly or on the app on your phone. So just head over to Google Chrome and just open up Amazon, just like I have here. Log into it really quick. Once you've done that, you want to click on the three lines in the top left corner, right beside the Amazon logo, and click on Account. And then you'll see under Account Settings, you'll see Your Addresses. Click on Your Addresses. And then here's where you want to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And then scroll down and click on Request Desktop Site. And once you have that, you can scroll in and you can see that it says Set as Default. So you can click Set as Default to change the address to that one as your default. And then at the very top, you'll see default address has been changed. And that's literally how easy it is to do it on your iPhone. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.